All right, what's old is new again, and for homeowners who lost everything in the January fires, it means hope and rebuilding. We're talking about the transfer of historic homes in LA County now being moved to Altadena. NBC4's Lolita Lopez brings us a story from West Hollywood.
Welcome to West Hollywood and this historic, almost 100-year-old home on North Orlando Avenue. Once on the chopping block slated for demolition, it will now be moved the length of a marathon to Altadena to this lot to replace the Martinez family home that was lost in the Eaton fire.
It feels like a lifetime, but it also feels like yesterday.
David Martinez says his family, wife Lauren, and 3 young children are eager to return to the community they love. He already envisions life inside their new home.
Christmas tree there for sure. Stockings over the fireplace.
The Martinez family joins others like Gwen and Jacques.
We just love vintage. That was sort of the draw to Altadena.
NBC4 previously featured the transfer of their home from Los Feliz to Poppy Fields Drive in Altadena. It's all part of the Historic House Relocation Project.
We're connecting with the families, connecting them together, helping broker the deal with the property owner so that we can purchase the house for $1.
The project is the brainchild of LA-based architect Morgan Sykes Jaybush.
We're organizing all the construction crews to get the house out there and permitting the new foundation, plus any renovation that we want to do to the house.
It's an effort to save homes destined for landfills and help families move back into fire-affected neighborhoods faster and at a lower cost than traditional rebuilding.
The last 2 homes that have done this, it is like on par or maybe like 25% less than what they had been quoted to build something new.
Right now, the house is being carefully cut up into pieces. You can see the guys up there on the roof getting ready for the big move next week. Now, Jaybush says that they're going to follow local and state traffic laws. They'll have a police escort, and the actual trek happens at night. The home will eventually be placed on a foundation here on West Pine Street, utilities connected. The entire process is expected to take anywhere between 9 to 12 months following rebuilding permits and inspections.
I want it to be something that's viable for everybody else. Yeah. There's so many other people that need a home.
In fact, there's a waiting list of 180 people who are interested in taking this next step. In West Hollywood, Lolita Lopez, NBC4 News.